Feel the rhythm of the rain cascading down the urban jungle that is New York City. Each droplet, a symphony as it lands on the concrete, glass, and steel. Listen closely, it's the heartbeat of the city. Now imagine the scent of rain-soaked asphalt, the iconic aroma of a city reborn. The dull roar of traffic blends with the patter of rain, creating a unique melody. It's the symphony of the city. Observe as the cityscape transforms, the rain adding a touch of magic to the towering skyscrapers, the bustling streets, the vibrant parks. New York City, in all its glory, under a blanket of rain. Every raindrop tells a story, every puddle, a reflection of the city's soul. New York City, the city that never sleeps, even when it rains. So next time it rains, don't just get wet. Feel the rain, hear the rain, be a part of the rain. Because rain in New York City, it's not just weather, it's an experience.